Hey guys, I've got some cordless rechargeable hair clippers here. So it is from Warner and it has the model number is HC818B, and we have titanium and ceramic blade, 9 guide combs. Here the combs or clippers, you can say 18 mm, 15, 12, 9, 6, 3, and we have left and right side bones clippers, and we have thinner here. We got a comb and scissors, some oil and brush to clean. So it has various features like removable blades, 2000 milliampere battery that can last up to 3 hours or so, and 5 length controls over here. So you have seen the clippers here. We have got some thanks for your purchase, extended warranty card. And now you know what, is it wired or wireless? It is wireless, but what do you need to do? You have to charge. You got to charge here. We have to charge, and this is the end of the charging cable looks like. Now the actual item, I'm going to show you the case. It comes with a case. It has the handle sturdy, looks like, and something like it says like hermit shell case. There we go. Here is the cordless clipper. I'm going to start it. You see, this is the other end where we can charge. The button to switch on, switch off. Alright, what else? I think we are done. Guys, you must be thinking which cuts the deepest, I mean in terms of the clippers, right? And which cuts the shortest. So 18 mm cuts the deepest. You can see the grooves here, these are the deepest. So 18 mm is written here, right? It cuts the deepest. Then the lighter is 15 mm, then 12, then 9, then 6, then 3. 3 cuts the shortest, I mean from top shortest. From the scalp, it's farther away. From the scalp, this is the deepest. From the scalp. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel.